Spotify Wrapped 2025 is here, and this time, it's a hit. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your tech space. After last year's flop, Spotify ditched the AI gimmicks and rolled out refreshed classics along with some shiny new features including Club's Wrapped Party and the star of the show, Listening Age. This quirky feature calculates a user's music age by comparing the release years of their top tracks to other listeners in their age group, giving everyone a unique age reading. On paper, it's a fun dive into your musical personality, but in practice, it's left many scratching their heads. Music fans who mostly stuck to new releases were shocked to see listening ages way higher than expected. One user, whose top songs were all from 2024 to 2025, was told their listening age was 66. Turns out they weren't alone. Polls showed most users landed in the 20 to 29 range, but a surprising number got weird results, sparking both confusion and amusement. Spotify says listening age works using an idea called the reminiscence bump, which means people tend to feel most connected to music from their youth. The app looks at the 5 years of music you listen to the most compared to others your age and assumes you were 16 to 21 when those songs came out. But it's just an estimate, so your listening age might not match your real habits, especially if you mostly listen to new songs. Despite some quirks, listening age has got everyone's attention. Now, whether it will return in 2026 or not, it's already becoming a conversation starter, giving music fans a fresh way to look at their listening habits. What is your listening age? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.